You can easily access the Set Frame configurator in two ways from the Highlight or Wentex website. Option 1. Visit any Set Frame product page and look for the section with key features. Here, you'll find a yellow Configure Now button that takes you directly to the configurator. Option 2. Go to the Set Frame landing page, scroll down, and click the Discover More button to get started. The landing page provides an overview and serves as your starting point. If you already have an idea of the shape you want, you can select one of the 4 adjustable shapes. These are easy to modify during the configuration process, and you can always change your shape later if needed. For projection screens, keep in mind that these are specifically designed for a 16:9 format. Within the configurator, you can select from 6 different size options. However, once you choose a projection screen, switching to a different shape is not possible. Start by selecting one of the available shapes on the Start page. Choose the shape that best suits your needs, and you're ready to begin building your configuration. When you open the configurator for the first time, you'll see a disclaimer. Carefully read the disclaimer and agree to proceed. This is your main workspace. At the top of the page, you'll find several tools. Click the Highlight logo to return to the Highlight homepage. Use the Help feature to access the Help Center for additional guidance. Download your parts list PDF here. We'll explain more about this later. To return to the configurator's landing page, simply click the X in the top bar. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find the documentation section. Here, the price updates automatically as you add or remove components from your setup. This feature is available only for logged-in customers. If you are not logged in, a Request Quote button will be displayed instead. You can add your configuration directly to your cart or share the project with others by copying the URL link. Let's demonstrate how to use the configurator. From the main screen, you can easily switch between different shape variants at any time during the process. Use the global settings to adjust the entire setup. You can modify the height of all walls with a single action. In the global settings, you can toggle the SEG prints on or off to get a clear preview of how your setup will look. By clicking on a specific wall, you can adjust all its parameters. Let's start with the width and height. When you change these parameters, the configurator automatically calculates the best fitting frame dimensions for the wall. If you select the module width, it overrides the automatic calculation, so you can manually decide on the width of your frames. Other parameters you can adjust include the support type, which is automatically selected for optimal safety based on the wall's height. The option to toggle prints on or off for that wall. You can click Add an element to expand your setup with additional features. By adding a wall, you can choose where to place a new wall by clicking on one of the highlighted gray areas. The wall will be added instantly. By adding a door cutout, a feature perfect for emergency exits or walkthroughs, it shows you the best placement options for a door. The configurator automatically recalculates the wall and removes unnecessary parts for a seamless fit. By adding a rectangle, you can place a boxed set frame by clicking on the gray areas. A key feature is that if you change the width of one wall in the rectangle, the parallel wall will adjust automatically to maintain symmetry. When selecting an asymmetrical wall, a new parameter allows you to flip the direction of the wall to suit your design. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the toolbar, which contains several useful features for managing your configuration, including Undo last action to quickly reverse any changes. Show part list for a detailed breakdown of all components. Show measurements to view the full dimensions of your setup. Export a 3D model of your configuration in various formats and send it directly to your email address. Once your configuration is complete, you can use the global settings to toggle on all prints. By downloading the PDF, you'll get a comprehensive overview, including part numbers, print sizes, weights, and dimensions for each wall. Walls are numbered, making it easy to identify which parts belong to which section during assembly. When your setup is ready, click Add to Cart. This will redirect you to the Highlight shopping cart, where you can make final edits to your configuration if needed. View your part list using the drop-down menu. Remove items you don't need or already have in stock. If you remove an item, a notification will appear to confirm the change. However, keep in mind that missing parts may affect the ability to build your setup as previewed. Once your shopping cart is finalized and you've reviewed all parts, proceed to checkout as usual to complete your order.